Hey guys, welcome to Amalicious Cooking. Today I will be cooking a vegetarian version of stew peas, Jamaican stew peas. So this is the pot I'm going to cook it in. So we'll cook this peas for about an hour or so to get it nice and tender, but I will cook this peas with some coconut milk as well. Now this is my coconut milk. This is some warm water. I'm gonna put this powder in, mix it and add it to the peas. Now this is the coconut milk that has been mixed out in the water. Even though it looks like this, don't worry, we add this to the peas, you're not gonna see any of these bits in it. This is what it looks like after I've added the coconut milk. So the next step, I will be adding a bit of seasoning to give the milk with the peas a bit of flavor. So I'll show you that step as well. These are all my ingredients that I am going to put in the pot. Now this one, pimento seeds, that's Himalayan salt, the pink salt. That one is black pepper. That's a little bit of seasoning salt. Now this one is not for everybody taste, but I mean if you want to use it you can, it's optional. I like the taste of it. This is garlic granules. I do like a bit of garlic, and that's ginger. It's all what I am going to put in the pot with the coconut milk and the peas, and this is just to help flavor it. So as you can see, this is the peas have already started to boil up with the with the coconut milk. See, they already started to boil. So I'm gonna put the seasoning in and let it cook for further. So I'm gonna let all of this cook together. This is just helping to, you know, flavor it a bit. So I'm gonna put some fresh garlic in it. I've put one peg of fresh garlic in it as well, and it's chopped up small. So you may be able to see it a bit. It's floating around here somewhere in the pot. So I'm gonna let this down cook, and then I'll show you what else I'm gonna put in it. Alright, these are some of the seasoning that's gonna go in the pot. That's spring onion, green pepper, and a thyme, and some thyme. So that's gonna go in the pot to season it up as well. And these are my vegetables that's gonna go in the pot. So that's a potato, a sweet potato, a carrot, and a piece of pumpkin. Now my pot is not very big, so you know these are enough vegetables to use in the stew peas. So this is what give it the body and, you know, make up for the meat. I've peeled my carrots, I've washed it, and I've also peeled my sweet potato as well, and this pumpkin I've peeled the skin off. So I'm gonna cut them up, but I've got my potato to do, so I'm gonna peel this potato, and this is gonna go with all the rest of the vegetable as well. I do have a potato peeler, but I just like doing it like this. I don't mind. I guess I've been doing this for so long, it kind of feels funny sometimes using a potato peeler. So I just do it like this, old-fashioned way. I'm gonna cut my potatoes. This is my sweet potato. I'm gonna cut it into the small chunks. The small chunks. The sweet potato give it a distinctive taste as well, so it's not too bad. It's nice. Yeah, chunks is good. Nothing too fancy. this carrot is so big. So you see, about half an inch thick, and maybe about that more look like a quarter inch. Yeah, or a half. Hey, about an inch. But anyhow, and then pumpkin. I'm gonna put these in because I need them to cook as well. And this is what, as I said, this is what gives it, you know, the real body. They already been washed, all of these. We'll just cut them up in, you know, small pieces. Cut up in small pieces. Don't have to be fancy or anything like that. Nothing. See? How you want to cut it, you can cut it. Oh. See? Cut up. Quick check on the peas. They look nice and soft, so I'm gonna check it to see. See, it's mushed against the pot. You know, this is after an hour cooking. It's nice and soft. It's cooked. Add the vegetables in. I've now added the vegetable that I've cut in small chunks, so there you have it. It's in the pot, so I'm going to allow this to cook another 30 minutes or so. I've added a bit of butter to the pot, and I forgot to mention that I put a piece of bell pepper in it as well. Just 2 pieces. I don't normally do, but sometimes I like the taste. A friend of mine cooked stew peas and she gave me a long time ago, and I really like the taste of it. She put bell pepper in it. I've never had it with it, but I do like the taste, so I just, you know, now and again. Sometimes I cook it with it, sometimes I cook it without. So it's something to, you know, give it a little flavor, and it's something to try if you want to try something new. It's a bitter twist. But yeah, this is how it looks so far. It's gonna simmer down a bit. I'm gonna make some small dumplings. So this is cornmeal, salt, and plain flour. So I'm gonna make some little dumpling. I'll show you them after how I've done it. Just a bit of water I'm gonna add to it, and then put it together. Make some small spinners. So this is what it looks like together. Okay. Just flour that's needed together. Water. So this is flour, cornmeal, and water with a bit of salt in it. And that's it. It's like a dough. Right, I put the little dumplings in, and this is what it looks like. Probably not the cutest, but these are so nice. See, it's sticking up now. It's not finished. And that's what it looks like. I totally forgot it though. I forgot I needed to put them in, to be honest. I couldn't believe it. I forgot. So I had to do it quickly before it finished. This is what it looks like. That's it. No. Where's about this? Now this is finished. And this is, there's a pepper. this is all the vegetable, carrots, little vegetables that I have put in it. No meat. So this is a no meat stew peas. I'll taste it for you and tell you how it tastes, okay? But if you like, you can try it. You know, give it a go. Might surprise yourself. I did put some big one in there as well, so never mind them big one, them that are going on my plate. But yeah, give it a try, you know. I'm trying to reduce the meat eating, you know, a bit more healthy food. So there it is. There you got it. That's it.